Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you about shipping related information and accident happening in shipping industry all over the world. Today's information is about one of the coastal cargo ship sank in West Papua waters, Indonesia. Landing craft Maruni Pratama with cargo of sand and cement sank early in the morning November 10 in Manokwari Regency waters, northeast of West Papua, Indonesia. The ship with 11 crew was en route from Manokwari to Teluk Wondama Regency, south of Manokwari, but was caught in rough seas, started taking on water and sank. All crew went into a life raft and were picked up, reportedly by a local fisherman. Landing craft Maruni Pratma IMO 8678554 GT 780, built 2012, flag Indonesia, owner Irima Tiara Putra. If you like this information, please share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.